Hey everyone, welcome to my garden 2022. We have started it a little bit late, but today's the last day of spring break, so I figured we need to start a garden. Last year we had our daughter, so it took up some time with that, but now that she's a little bit more mobile, she's walking around, we are able to now make our garden. So I am showing you everything that we have placed in our garden. I will show you when we purchased it, that way you can see all of it, kind of the start to our garden accumulated together. If you are excited for this revamp again of having these garden tours, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear from you, saying that you've missed them or whatever it is, and also give it a like, this video like, and don't forget to subscribe. So here we have our plants. We have 4 strawberry plants. Now these are really cool because I have not seen these before, but these have like pink blossoms on it, which are absolutely beautiful. So these are supposed to be Proven Harvest Berried Treasure Pink. But it's like a pun on words there, so it's kind of cute. We also have a pepper plant that's going to be here, a pineapple because we figured why not try that out. We have some kale. Those are always fun to grow. I did it before as a class, small group of students that did it as part of one of the local plant areas with Fairchild Botanical. It's really cool. So we did do some kale and other things. We have a blackberry plant. We have some rosemary over here. 2 blueberry plants. These actually seem to have like actual fruit on them. So if you remember my blueberry plant from before, it died. So we're gonna get these 2 and see how they do over here. But we've got, I guess it's a sunshine blueberry variety. So we're gonna try that out. So we do have this desert rose still, this plant that I showed you last year, 2 years ago. Those are growing well. Tomato plant is all gone, but we're gonna be changing that out and putting blueberry plants there instead. We still have our Cuban oregano, some scallions over here, onions. We still have some succulents over here from previously. I do need to weed through that there. And we do have this cactus over here still, so that needs to get some water. So here we have some soil underneath that my husband put together to ready for the plants to plant in here, and we have a tarp on top of it for now just to kind of protect it. This year we are going to add these watermelon and heirloom cherry tomatoes. These seeds we're going to use from Sweet Yards Seed Co. So I'm going to go ahead and start this off here with the seeds, and we'll see what happens in the next several weeks. Some of these leaves are looking a little crispy. As you can hear, it's very crunchy feeling. So I'm going to trim those off and allow new growth to come out, because what happens is once you start pruning, more starts to grow. So here we are trying to do a formation of 4 strawberry plants. So you can see there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here we have our blackberry plant. We're gonna try out a pineapple. I know it takes forever to grow, but we are gonna try it out, see what happens. We've got our rosemary bush here, which is great for cooking and seasoning, and it smells amazing. We got blueberry plant number 1 here, blueberry plant number 2 right here. Supposedly they do really well when they're next to each other, so they are. Got our desert rose plant. Here we have our pepper plant. Our kale plants are here. And then tomato plant's gonna go over here, and we're gonna place another one like right in the center there. And I don't know what else we're gonna fill up here. So if you have some ideas, you can let me know. We'll put it here. I did start watermelon over here, and then tomatoes are over here, cherry tomatoes. Eventually I'll move the tomato plants into those areas over there. The watermelon though, we have a trellis here that we will use and probably make another box garden here for it. And I will see you in my next updated video.